Hello everyone, I've just come on today to have a quick flick through to show you the Petalfey kit. This is the kit that I'm going to use in Junk Journal July. And my base is tissue boxes, you might have guessed, because I've done that the last few times and I do tissue box makes quite a lot. And I just thought, well, just go all colour, pick a colourful kit and colourful tissue boxes and just decorate them in the whimsical style. So this is the kit that I've chosen. So this is just a quick flip through of the kit. So this page has got lots of beautiful tulips and sunflowers and a couple of fairies. Another couple of fairies, this time gardening and dancing. Another fairy with a little fairy and a bunny in a lovely sort of tulip forest. And then another couple of fairies, these two are reading in the tulip forest. And another couple of fairies there. And a snail. And then we've got pockets on this one. So I should be able to use some of these in my tissue box. As we always like our pockets, don't we? And these are some of the pages shrunk down as for postcard sizes. So you can use them for that. And this is a page in the kit that's journaling card, mini journaling cards, pictures, sort of slide frames, I can't remember the name of them now, and tickets. In the kit there's also this sort of, it looks like an envelope, but it's actually like a folio sort of outside, so you can fold it over and then you've got the fastening if you want to make a mini folio. Fold this over and then use some of the pockets to decorate it. But you can just fold it over and use it like an envelope as well. And then there's lots of tags in this kit and two different sizes, so depending on what size journal you make, it might suit you to have large and small ones. And then there's some background pages, ideal for printing on the other side of paper, but if you're doing double-sided, say the sort of journal where you fold it over to writing like an A5, something similar to that, I've just got them printed off because I might use them in decorating some of the tissue box. Okay, so this one's sort of a green and orange stripy. This is like a bit like a mermaid, glitter mermaid design, orange and purple. This is a text design, but gigantic. And another one, two different sorts of greens. And this is sort of a grey and grey beige sort of colour. And this is sort of beigey colour with yellow stars. And this one's a sort of rainbow effect, really, I suppose you might say, with a sort of like a splatter of white. So that was the quick flip through of the kit. So at the moment, during January, it's 45% off any kits in the store with the code BHS. The code BHS can be used all year round, but it's not normally 45% off. It's usually around 30%, but if we have events, I increase it, or different offers and whatever. Just the best thing is just to follow my Ko-fi, be a member of my Facebook group, or follow my Facebook page or my Instagram, and that way you get to know when there's different offers on. So yeah, BHS, short for Be Happy Stationery. Like I say, you can get 45% off any kit in my store. Usually when Junk Journal July is on, it's just a featured kit, but this year we've chosen not to have a featured kit. Or my design team that are taking part in this are just choosing whichever kit they want, or even a combination of kits. Okay, that's it. Bye for now.